Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear history inside Terabox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is go ahead and open up Terabox. From here, make sure to sign into your account where you'd like to clear your history in. So sign into your account. Now, once you're inside your account, we want to click onto the three horizontal lines on the top left-hand corner of the page. From here, scroll down and click into Settings. It's going to take us inside of our settings. Now, below the settings, we want to click into Security Center. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on Clear Data. So this is going to clear files, accounts, and records. Now, on this page here, we want to click on the second option, which says Operation Records. So after deletion, your recent viewing history and sharing records will be cleared. So go ahead and click on Delete. It will say Still Delete. This operation will be permanent, and it will delete the data in the account and cannot be recovered. So please proceed with caution. So click on delete, then it should say deleted successfully.